Today we're going to talk about making a report wizard with our SNET tool. The report wizard is necessary to be able to receive the 1010 warranty on DVMS and ecosystems. There are different options of way to hook up the system, hook up the SNET tool at the outdoor unit. One, you can find yourself a Molex plug, as seen here, that will connect directly to the F1 and F2 of the board. The other option is you can connect, as we have done already, to F1 and F2 here. Now that we're connected to the outdoor unit on F1 and F2, you want to take the green adapter that comes with the SNET tool and make sure that you have, if you're looking at the adapter, F1 and F2. So here we have F1 and F2. F1 is black, F2 is white. And now we have F1 black and F2 white, and plug it into the adapter. That way we have correct polarity. Then you want to take a mini USB cable, plug into the other side of the SNET tool, and then take this side and connect to your computer. Now that we're connected to the computer, we're going to click on SNET Pro 2. Once it loads, we're going to hit connect. We're connected to the F1 and F2 layer, so we're going to connect to that and let the system load. Once the system is loaded, you'll notice there's a tab that says Report Wizard. You'll begin preparing your Report Wizard by clicking on that tab, and the window populates. Everything that has a red exclamation point needs some information. Now that all the information for the side is inputted into the Report Wizard, we're going to click Next. Here it shows the outdoor unit. If we had original EEPROMs in the outdoor unit, it would show the serial numbers. But since we've done several things with this system, the serial numbers are missing. On a new system, they'll be there. And it shows all the indoor equipment as well. You click Next again. Here it shows you operation data. Don't worry that it says undetermined. Then you'll click Create Report. Once the report is ready to be saved to your computer, it'll always save in the Documents SNET Pro 2 report folder. Here it gives you the chance to name it so you'll know what report you're looking for. Here we'll just put SHA Training Lab. Click Save. Now that the report is made, you'll go into the Documents SNET Pro 2 and Report file. Notice here is the file we just saved. You have two different files. You have a PDF and an Excel spreadsheet. The Excel spreadsheet is what is needed that will be used to implement the warranty through B2B. Please be sure that your local rep or distributor receive this so they can enter your equipment in for warranty. If you'll notice, it gives you all the information in an Excel form, all the serial numbers, all the type of equipment that is on this particular system. The PDF is the same type of information. This is typically given to end users to put in their O&M manuals.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.